Hi, today we're going to be making a Hojicha Tiramisu using a Hojicha latte mix and then topping it with a creamy mascarpone filling and Hojicha chocolate ganache. First, we're going to set up a double boiler and pour in the cream, chocolate and Hojicha powder. We're going to let the chocolate sit there and melt, and once it starts melting, whisk everything together until it's evenly combined. We're then going to brew 30 ml of espresso. If you don't have coffee beans on hand, you can use instant coffee instead. And once we've got our 30 ml of espresso, we're going to add in a teaspoon of Hojicha powder and then just give that a mix until it's evenly combined. Then pour the Hojicha coffee mix into the milk and then just give all of that a mix and then set it aside. Now for the filling, we're just going to whip the cream together with some sugar and vanilla essence until soft peaks form. And now once you've got those soft peaks, we're just going to add in the mascarpone cheese and fold that through. You'll see that I'm adding the vanilla essence at this stage because I forgot to in the beginning. Once that's done, we're ready to assemble, so just dip the biscuits into the Hojicha latte mix and place it into your mold. Keep repeating this until you form one biscuit layer. We're then going to top the biscuit layer with a layer of ganache and then a layer of cream, and then we're going to repeat all of this again once more. I'm then going to sprinkle over a layer of cocoa and Hojicha powder that's been mixed together and then chill it in the fridge for 4 hours. And that's all there is to it. Once the 4 hours are up, we're ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.